The Overlap Analysis tab allows you to calculate the overlap of a selected mode with a reference mode or beam. For details about the overlap calculation, see the Solver Physics section. Here's the edge coupler example from the knowledge base to show overlap between a fiber and waveguide. The goal of this specific example is to optimize the fiber position to maximize the overlap between the fiber mode and the waveguide mode. To do that, first disable the fiber in the object tree and let the FDE region see only the waveguide to calculate the mode of the waveguide. After finding the waveguide modes, select the mode you're interested in and copy it to the deck. Then switch back to layout mode, enable the fiber and disable the waveguide to calculate the modes of the fiber. Now open the Overlap Analysis tab and select the waveguide mode saved in the deck to perform the overlap calculation. The overlap calculation shows about 84% overlap between the two modes. This at first looks a bit strange considering the apparently very small mode size of the waveguide, but if you plot the modes in log scale, you can see that the waveguide mode is actually very broad. The tiny spot in the linear scale is just due to a high field intensity at the center of the waveguide. Shift-D card center allows you to shift the position of one mode relative to the other. Use Optimize Position to find the position corresponding to the maximum overlap. You can also generate a Gaussian beam profile for the overlap calculations to calculate the coupling efficiency between a beam and fiber mode. Note that the beam can be specified using the fully vectorial thin lens or scalar approximation, where the scalar approximation is valid if the beam waist is much larger than the wavelength.